Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the stunning genuine walnut wood PC case, a perfect blend of natural elegance and cutting-edge technology that seamlessly fits into any modern workspace. This mid-tower ATX case, known as the Mirage 6, comes pre-installed with 4 ARGB PWM fans, including 3 120mm reverse blade fans at the bottom and one at the rear, all controlled by an ARGB controller for synchronized lighting effects. With dual air intake channels and a vertical airflow design, this case ensures optimal cooling performance, further enhanced by back intake vents and support for both water and air cooling solutions, including a 360mm radiator at the top and a 240mm radiator on the side. The case is equipped with a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and customizable ARGB fan control buttons, making it as functional as it is stylish. Designed with high-performance GPUs in mind, it supports up to 410mm cards like the RTX 4090 and RX 7900 XTX, with a 35mm gap for ample cooling space. Maintenance and modding are a breeze with 4 full-size magnetic filters and 6 reusable PCIe slots, while the Hurricane 120mm reversed PWM ARGB fan offers a panoramic 270-degree wide-angle view for a truly immersive experience. So, if you're looking for a PC case that combines beauty, functionality, and top-tier performance, the genuine walnut wood PC case is your go-to choice.